Okay, welcome back to the channel. Today I got a flea market tool haul as the flea market just opened up here. I thought it would be a little better than it was, but I think I did okay. I spent $68 for everything in here, so let me show you what I got. Now, before I jump into the video, I just want to give a shout out to Big Vic. Check out his channel. He does unbelievable tool restorations lately. And he sent me a little package, this double Kohler sticker. I wasn't too familiar with double Kohler. I had to do a little homework on that, but that'll look great on my sticker board. And he sent me a really nice cigar, and I can't thank him enough for that. And a really nice note. He knew just from watching my videos, I enjoy when I'm doing a restoration or just organizing to light one of these up and puff it in the shop, and I will definitely enjoy that, especially as the weather's getting nice and I could keep the doors open. So thanks again, Big Vic, and check out his channel. Now what I'm going to do is lay out the tools in here as I bought them. I bought them from 3 separate vendors, so let me do that and I'll turn it right back on. Alright, so here is the first pile of goodies. I paid $40 for this pile. Tell me what you think in the comments section, how you think I did. I think I did all right on this, but hey, I'm always looking for a better deal. The first item was an item I actually been looking for in need, and this is a large size caulk gun. This is not that standard size. This could take the big tubes, and I need this for when I'm going to be doing my driveway again this year. Before I blacktop it, I caulk this stuff into the cracks, and buying the bigger tubes is just easier. And what I like about this one, and the reason I put it in the pile, as you can see here, made in England. It's the larger size. It's still brand new. It's got all the tags on it, and it seems to never been used. So and that had to be at least, I don't know, probably worth 20-30 bucks if I had to buy that new. Next item up was just this cool, look at that, offset. And what that is a Model A wrench. You see that there? That is a Model A. And these are Ford wrenches for the old Ford. So not sure what that's worth. It's got to be a $10 bill, I'm assuming. But I look forward to just having that one and restoring it. As well as these nice Kreuters. Whenever you could get Kreuters like this. Look at the teeth on that. They're in great shape. No daylight coming through. So those are, they're not cheap either when you try to find these in this day and age. Doesn't have the nice embellished handles like I like, but that is a nice 8-inch at least model. And then a couple of screwdrivers I thought were neat. This one is made in the USA. Let's see if we can get that there for you. There it is. Not sure to make on it, but I liked it because it had a Phillips tip. And a lot of times when you find these wood handle ones, they don't have a Phillips. They're more, the older style are all flat. And this one still had a really good tip on it. Here's another wood handle, and this one is just heavy as can all get up. It's all the way through. It's got the wood on it, and I'm not sure to make on this one. TOBRIN is what it says on it. Not 100% sure, but that is a nice wood handle screwdriver that could clean up. Old railroad spike. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it, but I know Scoutcrafter made a hammer out of one of these I thought was cool. I don't think this one would be used for that, but I just threw it into the bundle. This is definitely worth some money. This is a Mac screwdriver. Not a screwdriver, it's a screwdriver handle, but it's got the scribe on the end. It's an offset hook in great condition. This will clean up. I'm sure that this has got to be worth 15 bucks in this condition at least. And then this I was so bummed about because I really love this offset style wrench. It would clean up great. The branding on it here says, see this here? It says Lawson Manufacturing, Cleveland, Ohio. Love the offset to it. It's got this great lettering in it. Beautiful piece. December 14th, 20. That would be crazy. That would be a beautiful old wrench, but look at this. Unfortunately, I got a chip in it. The teeth on it were great. I did not see the chip until I got home. So bummed about that. A really nice pair of just wire cutters, angle cutters. But what I found interesting about this is they were Williams, number 45, and they were in great condition. And these clean up really well. And then just a Craftsman hacksaw. Didn't really need another hacksaw, but I've been putting together a toolbox of old vintage. I'm going to make a toolbox of all Craftsman tools, made in the USA in a Craftsman toolbox. And I'll eventually do a video on that. So this one just felt really good. It's made well, and it'll look great once it's cleaned up and goes into that all Craftsman toolbox. Same reason with this here. This is a file handle, but look how nice it is. That'll clean up great, made in the USA. And so that was the first pile. Everything there, $40. Like I said, not a steal. Didn't kill it, but definitely I think I got my money's worth. And there was a bunch of items that I did need, as well as some items that I could do for cleanup and have some fun with doing restorations. All right, let's look at the second pile. Not sure you can call it a pile, but it was I spent $10 for everything that you see here. And I really honestly don't know what these things are worth. I'll have to take a look. I want to say this is probably worth at least $10, maybe more, but this is a vintage Craftsman. I just love the branding on it. Black and white, 10-foot. Love the way it's, just the lettering is on it. Made in the USA. The tape itself is in overall really nice condition. So I thought, $10, worth $5 at least, and I figured this was worth at least $5. This is in great shape. The teeth are in great shape, and the model on this is a Pexco, made in the USA, and the wood on it is just tight as can be. It's a greasy as can be, but the wood on it is just fantastic, as you can see. So this will be a fun project to clean. Not a lot to do except just restore the handle and clean up the metal on it. And couldn't be a day at the flea market if I didn't grab something SK. I thought I needed this SK socket. Maybe I do. I got to check a set. I thought I missed it. Needed a 15. So $10 for this. Let me know what you think. I think I definitely did all right. Not sure what they're getting for these. I don't think it's, a lot of these older wood ones I have don't have this type of head. They have more of that flat style, like the automobile wrench, not the pipe wrench style. So I'm hoping that maybe adds a little bit more value to it. All right, and over here I got the third pile, and I think this is where I got my best deal. I spent $18 for everything you see in this pile. And this here, I think, is the home run of the day. This is a beautiful crescent. Look at that. Jamestown. This is 15 inches. This is a large crescent wrench. I have plenty of the 8s and the 10s, and do not have a large one like this. And this is the older style. This isn't that newer Crescent USA. Look at how nice that thickness is. It works like a dream. Not a drop of play in it. So this, once I clean this up, I think it'll be worth at least $50, maybe more. I got this in the deal as well. It's not working yet. It's bound up, but my guess is once I clean it up, I don't have a lot of right ratchets, so I thought it'd be fun to get one since I basically paid $1 or $2 for it, if that. Since I think he wanted 8 for this, and I said, hey, this isn't working. What about that? And he said, just take it. So I paid $8 for those two, and then I paid $10 for this. Well, we bundled it, and this is a nice rigid offset pipe wrench, and this is called the E10, and I did take a quick look at these. They're going for about $15-20 plus shipping for them in this condition. So this was my favorite score today for $18. Now let's take a look at everything and wrap it up. All right, so as I was putting everything in order here, I took a look at this, and it says Bridgeport. How cool is that on that Phillips screwdriver? It has a slight bend in it, but I'm not afraid of things with bends anymore. Now that I got the dake, it just makes the project a little bit more interesting. So here's one last look at everything. Let me know what you think. Let me know what items you think are your favorite or where I did the best. $68, a little bit more than I like to spend. As you guys know, I'm always looking for a great deal. But I think just a handful of these items, if I really cleaned them up and did sell them, which I don't plan on doing, would definitely be worth that $68. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.